What's up guys, Geeks Corner here. Just today I'm going to show you Annie banners. Now what this does is it changes the banners into a little bit more exciting. So we're going to select them all on, and we're going to choose the colours. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just quickly do a test on there. And as you can see, the banners have changed and they've got a bit of an animation going. Now you can change the colours. You can also change whether you wanted cornered edges, or you could have it just a plain straight across like the normal stock banner, still animation. Now you can toggle on these three options, and by clicking on the colours, as you've already seen quickly on there, you've got a ton of colours, so you can do it whatever theme you've got going on. You can do it to complement your theme. Now this tweak is a paid tweak, and if you are fed up with your boring banners, I do recommend this. We have teamed up with the dev for this, and we will be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned on that one. You can check out that information when we post it on our website, which is geekscorner.co.uk, or on our Twitter feed, geekcorneruk, and we will link that in the description below. But this tweak, like I say, it does take away the boringness that comes with the stock on that one. So let me check it out guys, and let me know what you think, whether it's something you will be looking at purchasing on that basis. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.